Welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today we're checking out the locks. That's a time ball tower lock that looks like a Brava with a restricted core, something like a carver in there, a Brava carver. So this is a tiny little door where you can access this big tower. It's a time ball. What does that mean? Well, I'm going to take you around and we're going to have a look at the plaque. So we've got the lovely lady with us. Just park that there. Now, brought you down here, Semaphore. This is a very specky location. This is the main beach that people come to when they want to do beachy things. Get out of the house on a hot day. And it's full of little kids on school holidays, so we're not going down there. Okay, let's try and hold this. Have a look at that. So what that plaque says is this time ball tower was erected in 1875 to enable ships at the anchorage and the inner harbour to rate their chronometers. The black ball was hoisted to the masthead at 12:57 p.m. daily and dropped at 1 p.m. by electric release from the Adelaide Observatory. With the advent of wireless time signals, the service was discontinued in 1932. The structure has been restored by the South Australian Harbours Board to preserve a link with the past and as a tribute to sea transport that played such a prominent part in the founding and development of the state. Right. I've never been here before. Well, up here, I found a way to get up here that didn't involve the stairs. So we've got lots of memorial things around here. We've got the RSL, which is the Returned Servicemen's Club that is under here. Used to be, I think it's still there. That's a war memorial thing down there, a big cannon gun. We've got the little train that comes along, starts there and heads up that way to the other beaches and then comes back. It's a little kiddie train. And this is the main beach that has facilities on it, such as shade. It doesn't have shade on the beach, but it does have shade on the grassed area. So I brought you here today because I want to do an unboxing. Yup, let's try and find a spot to do it. Well, I'll show you around. Okay, now there is another lock I want to show you. So we'll just have a look at the little locks first. So this is the main drag with all the shops and places where you can go to get something to eat. This is the lock on this little gate. And it is a Abus 83. Can't quite see the keyway, but it doesn't look restricted. So we're going to try and stay out of the wind and do this unboxing while you check out the view. So it might be a little bit breezy, but you get that breeze. Oh, we're at the beach. So, wow, fascinating stuff. I've never knew about the ball tower and what it did. I thought it was a lighthouse, but reading the plaque today, it was like, no, it's not a lighthouse at all. Very interesting. So the lovely Betty, she's already had a sniff around, but she's really wants to go down there with all the dogs, but there's a lot of kids down there and she's scared of kids, so we're not doing kids. Let's do the unboxing. This is from Paul Springer. This is a heap of locks that I've ordered for Locksporters. Don't know if I'll need a knife or not. Let's just get into it and I'll show you what we've scored. Might take a little while. Let's get organised. Okay. So, oh man, this is heavy. Okay. So, this box we have. Let's put it on here. Let's just sit it on there. See everything almost like that. Okay. We'll get organised in a minute. Is it taped? Yep, it's taped. Okay, let's get our EDC knife out, which is one of these little doers. It was given to me, so pretty happy to have an EDC knife. Just go with that. Okay, we are in, and you just slide that down to lock it. So I have my tools in there. Let's just put that away later. Whoa, okay. Have a look at them. This is a Lockwood 215P. P standing for plastic. Yes, there's a little puppy down there. You've got to leave it, Betty. Oh, I'm not going to show you the key. Just going to show you the lock. Space. This is a lockout tag-out lock. Haha. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Next we have this one. This is a 214A. Whoa, look at that beauty. Now the camera does not do the colour justice, I can tell you. It is very specky in person. And we have a few of those, so we won't pop all them out. Oh, cool. Paul's scored me some pins so I can pin up some locks that are going out. Thank you very much for that. Yes, I scored some change key tools for someone and some brass shackles, and I have the Lockton 40mm, no, 45mm brass. Got two of them to send out. That is awesome. Thank you very much for that. And this one should be the only lock I got for myself, which is the, yes, the 40mm brass. Now my Lockton collection is complete. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And we have some 214As and 215As. They're the lockout tag out locks, and another 45 brass. Now what we also have in here is try not to spill everything everywhere, just bear with me. I don't even know what you are getting to look at because I'm not looking down. Okay, we scored some key blanks, some LW5s. That is awesome. I can now put keys on my locks. And some TE2s. I can now pin up those Gainsborough that I keep playing with. I'm not sure, I can't remember what those ones are. And we've got some LW5, 5 pins and 6 pinners for Lockwoods. That is awesome. Thank you very much, Paul. That is going to be very, very helpful. So there you have it, an unboxing, a package at the beach. So you can have another boat peep around before we close this video off. This is Semaphore Beach. It's usually pretty flat unless, you know, it's like a swimming pool, unless there's a northerly bringing in some wind. Lots of old buildings and stuff around here. I'm trying to go slow so I don't give you motion sickness. And they're doing lots of work on the power lines down there. We had a big storm the other night and things just went off. So it looks like they're restoring that old building there. And got some commemorative plaques on these, all of these little seating around here. There's a few of them. And let's just watch the spin, a look at the tower. That is the Semaphore Ball Tower with the lovely Betty. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.